Alright, here's a slept-on gem in FL Studio, the Piano Roll Arpeggiator. And no, I'm not talking about the one in the channel settings. This one is way more powerful, but it isn't real-time. It actually rewrites the notes in the piano roll, which gives you full control. You start by loading a custom pattern using a .fsc score file. Think of this like your arpeggio blueprint. It can be anything from classic up-downs to glitchy chaos. You've got pattern options too: normal, flip vertical, and alternate, which lets you reverse the note order or automatically switch directions each time it repeats. Time multiplication lets you stretch or squeeze the timing, so you can make it run twice as fast or 4 times slower with just a twist of a knob. Then there's range, which controls the octave spread, and the range pattern setting, which decides how it moves through those octaves. Sync tells the arpeggio when to stop looping, based on time, note off, or when part of the chord ends. Super useful for more complex rhythms. Gate shortens the note lengths for a choppy, stuttered effect like you'd hear in trance or trap. Levels adds extra movement by pulling in velocity, pan, and pitch from the pattern file. And if you've sliced notes and want them to move as one, turn on group notes. Once you're done, hit accept and the arpeggio is printed into your piano roll, fully editable. If you want our full library of FL Studio tools, templates, and production hacks, drop a comment saying FL and we'll hook you up. And follow PausePlayRepeat for more real tips. No fluff.